This is tonight's dinner. My husband's special beans that we make. We decided to make them tonight, but normally we make them for like 4th of July, you know, stuff like that. These are good, and they're vegetarian beans. Then we have some corn on the cob right there. We got some stuffed mushrooms. Got some Bratwurst sausage, some burgers right here. And then we got these stuffed burgers that we get every year. They have to be put on the grill and cooked. And they're looking good. This is the rest of my meals for tonight. It's vanilla yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, and granola. And this is 7 multi-grain bread with almond butter and bananas. Healthy meals. Look at that. Today is Thursday. I'm breaking my fast with my smoothie right here. It's about 3:45. And this is one of them Prager vegetable burgers right here. Pan fried with a little bit of A1 steak sauce and then some peppers and onions. And then it's the spring mix salad, about 2 cups or so, 2 or 3 cups or whatever, with a little bit of ranch dressing. I'm trying not to do much carbs today because I didn't work out. So that is my meal so far for today. Hello. Happy Saturday. What is today? March 7th. So I'm just broke my fast about a little bit after 5 o'clock. I didn't mean to go that long, but me and my husband was going over some things. So I'm going to break my fast with this strawberry banana blueberry smoothie right here. I do have videos on how I make this, so you can go back through and watch some of those videos. And right here I have a Dr. Prager's veggie burger up under the onions and peppers, a cup of sweet potatoes, and I put maybe about a tablespoon of brown sugar in it with some cinnamon and vanilla extract, homemade vanilla extract, and a slice of butter. And then I have baby red butter salad right here with Bolthouse yogurt ranch. It's low in fat, calories, and I don't need a lot of salad dressing on my salad. So this is probably about maybe a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons. right here. So this is what my first meals are going to are going to be today. So stay tuned for more.